Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. Before I start the video, I do want to say please like, subscribe, and comment. If you want to join the Patreon, you can join at patreon.com/but I'm not a trader. The spots are filling up and I capped the tiers. So, after a certain amount of time or whoever joins, whoever, how many members I take in, I'm not going to take anybody else, right? So if you guys want to join, cool. If not, that's cool too. So let's into the video. Bitcoin. Again, we're starting to drop. I'm not really doing any TA on Bitcoin just because I still think that we're gonna drop down super hard. I'm thinking somewhere around like 40. First target is 51, then like 40K ish, somewhere around that range. But I wanted to warn you guys that we open the month with a bear trigger, right? We open the month with a bear trigger on the monthly. What happened? Every single instance of this has been very, very bad for Bitcoin, right? What happened? Bear trigger. Boom, you drop like 80%. Bear trigger, 50%, right? Bear trigger, you drop from highs of 14,000 to lows of 4,000, right? Bear trigger, let me see if I can go further back on Bitstamp. Yeah, there we go. Right? Bear trigger, highs of 17K to lows of 3,500 bucks, right? False trigger on the month, there you go. So this was a monthly bear trigger, right? But immediately you came back up, right? Trigger from the month, you went from 1,000 down to 166, right? And this is going all the way back. You've used, right? Bear trigger, you went from 256 down to 67 bucks. So, generally around this area, when you have a bear trigger, right? And you're closing like this, you have a really good chance of dropping, more than 50%. So again, with this 73K, I say as of right now we are looking at more a minimum of 50% drop, right? So I'm guessing at least we go to like a 36K, if not all the way back to like 31K, or we're going back to trend and we come back to like 22K. I think max target right now would be 22.6. That would be max target because we're on this major trend on the month, right? So max target would be $22,000 for Bitcoin. I think a more realistic price would be like a 30K Bitcoin, right? Within the next, I don't know, a couple months probably. But again, you do have instances of this just dropping completely massively, right? So I would not be surprised to see Bitcoin at 22K again. I really would not, right? And then again, every single time you hit trend, you always have that scarcity of breaking trend and then going all the way back down. I would argue possibly down to like a $4,000 Bitcoin again, right? I'm not saying it will, but whenever you get close to these whenever you get close to trend, you have a really good chance of breaking it every single time, right? So if this hits trend, right, obviously you should long at 22.7. Like this is the perfect place to long and pick up Bitcoin if it can get there, right? But if you should still set like stop losses, right? Because if this drops down under like a 15.5, like, oh man, you're probably going back down to like a 4K Bitcoin, regardless of what anybody thinks. But as of right now, I do think we have started a descent minimum back down to like resolve your account. Oh yeah, I forgot. Took everything out. They're charging me for gold. Yeah, put, what is it called here? 38.4. 36, yeah, I'm definitely looking more for like so first target is gonna be 51K, and then I think like 40 something, then probably like 36, then like 30, but ultimate target would be 22.6. I don't know if it actually gets there. Right now I'm looking more for it to drop like around the 51, 47K area, right? And then once it gets there, we can redo TA and see what's going on. But yeah, man, this doesn't look good for Bitcoin, bro. I would not be surprised in a couple months if we do hit that 22.6. But again, first target's definitely 51K, then like a 47K, something like that. So I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.